happens when one of the most popular EVs on the planet gets a major upgrade? The 2026 Tesla Model 3 answers that question, and it's more refined, more efficient, and smarter than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest tech and vehicles with clarity and zero hype. Today we're taking a closer look at the updated 2026 Tesla Model 3 and why it might just be the best version yet of Tesla's compact electric sedan. Design. Let's start with the look. The 2026 Model 3 has been subtly reshaped with sharper lines, slimmer headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile. It's still instantly recognizable, but now feels sleeker and more modern. New wheel designs and updated lighting give it a fresh edge without trying too hard. Performance. Under the skin, performance has been dialed in. Whether you choose the rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive variant, the Model 3 delivers smooth, instant acceleration with even better range. Thanks to revised battery architecture, the long-range model now pushes past 390 miles on a single charge. And ride quality has improved with updated suspension tuning and better cabin insulation. Features and tech. Inside, the 2026 Model 3 embraces minimalism even further, with fewer physical controls and a cleaner, quieter interior. The central touchscreen is faster and sharper, and Tesla's latest Autopilot hardware is built in and ready for future updates. You'll also find improved voice control, better wireless charging, and premium audio, now standard on all trims. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 doesn't reinvent the wheel. It just makes it smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable to drive. A solid evolution of a modern classic. What do you think of the new Model 3? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more clear, honest breakdowns of the latest EVs and tech. See you in the next one. Next.